Now we are considering motion in one direction. So along this direction, this is the direction of motion. Suppose a particle moves with initial velocity is equal to u and acceleration is equal to a. The particle moves for a time t. Is equal to t, and distance traveled in time t is denoted by st. So st is equal to, according to our previous conception, st is equal to ut plus half at square. Okay. Now suppose the particle moves for a time, new time is equal to t minus 1 second. So distance traveled by the particle in time t is equal to st. St is equal to ut plus half at square. But if the time changes to t minus 1, then that distance will be denoted by s into s suffix t minus 1. So this is equal to u into t minus 1 plus half a into t minus 1 whole square. Now, if we draw a picture like this, if st, this is st, if this is equal to st, then reasonably st minus 1, that means the distance traveled by the particle in t minus 1 second will be less than that distance. So this distance is equal to st minus 1. So this distance is equal to s t minus 1. Now this distance, okay, so this distance, if we draw the distance like this distance is equal to d, or we can denote it by d. So this distance d is traveled by the particle in tth second. That means if t is equal to 5, then t minus 1 would be equal to 5 minus 1, that is equal to 4. So during fifth second, the distance traveled by the particle is equal to d. Okay. We have to derive the expression for d. How you want to derive expression for d? We want to derive an expression for d. Okay. Now what will be d? D means the distance. D is equal to distance traveled by the particle in tth second. Okay. So d is equal to st minus s suffix t minus 1. This is not into. This t denotes the total distance traveled by the particle in t second. This denotes the total distance traveled by the particle in t minus 1 second. And d is equal to distance traveled by the particle in tth second. Tth second, particularly in fifth second or sixth second, seventh second, etc. So the expression for st is equal to, we have already written that it is equal to ut plus half at square, and this is equal to, within a bracket we shall take it, u into t minus 1 plus half into a into t minus 1 square. Now we have to deduce the formula. We have to expand this formula like this, is equal to ut plus half at square, within bracket u into t minus 1, u into t minus u plus half a as it is, t minus 1 whole square, that means t square minus 2t plus 1, bracket closed, and again another bracket. That means ut plus half at square minus ut minus minus plus u minus half at square, actually minus is here, this is plus, minus half at square minus minus plus, that means half into 2 is equal to 1, and this is 80, only 80, 80, and another minus half. Okay. Now if we algebraically add all the quantities, then these will be cancelled. This will be cancelled. This will be cancelled. Plus minus. So it remains only u plus 80 minus half a. That is equal to u plus half of a into 2t minus. Thus we have the formula d is equal to u plus half of a into 2t minus. So this is another formula. This is another formula. u plus half of f into 2t minus 1. Now we have to solve some problems with the help of this formula. There are so many problems regarding this or related to this formula in your book. A body covers a distance (26 meters) in 10 seconds of its journey, and 28 meters in 11 seconds of its journey. Find initial velocity and okay. So this is the problem. Now we can write from this d10 is equal to u plus half into a into 2 into, in place of time, t is equal to 10 minus 1, and d11 is equal to u plus half of a into 2 into 11 minus 1. So this gives u plus half of a into 2 into 10 means 20 by 19. So we can write it d10 is given by is equal to 26 meters. So according to our problem, this expression is equal to 26 and this expression is equal to 28. Okay. So once again I shall write the expression in another page. So u plus half of a into 22 into 10 minus 1 once again is equal to 26 and u plus half of a into 2 into 11 minus 1 is equal to 28. So we have two equations and two unknown variables. It is very easy to deduce the unknown variables like u and a by solving these two equations. So once again I shall write u plus 2 into 10 minus 1, 19 by 2, 19 by 2 into a is equal to 26 and u plus, from this directly, u plus 2 into 11 means 22 minus 1 is equal to 21. So 21 by 2 into a is equal to 28. So this equation is equal to number 1 equation and this equation is equal to number 2 equation. Okay. Now you have solved such problems. You know how to solve these problems. This is negative. This is negative. Also this is negative. Then we will get u minus u, that is equal to 0. Cancels. 21 by 2 minus 19 by 2. 21 by 2 minus 19 by 2 within bracket into a is equal to 28 minus 26, that is equal to 2. Okay. 21 minus 19 means 2 by 2, that is equal to 1. So this is equal to a, or 21 minus 19 by 2 into a is equal to 2, or this is 2 by 2 is equal to a, or directly a is equal to. So we have the expression a is equal to 2, and one of the two expressions should be taken to deduce the value of the other variable, that is equal to the variable u. So we have the equation u plus 19 by 2 into a is equal to 26. This equation u plus 19 by 2 into a is equal to 26. Okay. So this is equal to, or we can write putting the value of a, or u, okay, or u plus 19 by 2 into, actually we have already derived the value of a, that is equal to 2, is equal to 26, or cancelled, or u plus 19 is equal to 26, or u is equal to 26 minus 19, or u is equal to 7. Hence, initial velocity is equal to 7 meter per second, and acceleration is equal to 2 meter per second square. So this is the problem. There are so many problems like this, and application of the last formula I have just discussed here with. So you must go through your textbook or any book that has been, that will be a good resource book for problem solving. And this is the last class of kinematics, elementary kinematics, and next class will be on vectors. We have to be acquainted with the formula of geometry, a bit of trigonometry, etc., etc., and be prepared to learn vectors. Thank you very much for your watching.